what I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22, how your air conditioner actually works. Let's break it down. Your air conditioner is like a superhero for your home. It removes heat and humidity, leaving you with a cool, comfy space. First up, we've got the evaporator inside your home. This is where the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air. That warm air then turns into a low-pressure gas. Next, the compressor, which lives outside, pumps up the gas's pressure and temperature. Hot stuff, right? Now, the high-pressure gas moves to the condenser, also outside. Here, the refrigerant releases all that heat to the outdoor air and turns into a cool liquid. Finally, the expansion valve steps in. It cools the refrigerant down before sending it back to the evaporator, ready to start the cycle again. Not only does your AC cool the air, but it also dehumidifies and filters it. So next time you enjoy a cool breeze, remember the magic behind your AC.